Best game as a Sun for Shaq. He had 20 points third quarter. There's Steve Nash, Kamari Stoudemire. He's a long little bump and grind. Nash with 15 assists. Suns up 7. Fourth quarter, here comes Utah. Look at this play here by Williams. Remember, that's a 350-pound man or so bumping you out of bounds, and Williams still gets the floater. He had 25 points, 15 assists. Kyle Korver, he's got some brass, son. All 14 of his points came in the fourth quarter. Suns don't go away. Another and one for Amari. Suns cut the lead to 1 after the free throw, but less than 40 to play. Big points here by Carlos Boozer, who had 23 points, and the Jazz win 126-118. The Suns have now lost 3 straight at home. The Western Conference is very good. It's very snug. Every game matters at this point, and the Suns have lost 5 of their last 7. Their offense has kept up the pace, but defense is where the problem has been, allowing teams to shoot more than 50% on the street and scoring 12 more points a game.
Hornets began Friday 2 games behind the conference lead, hosting New Jersey. Nets trying to hold on to 8th in the East. Chris Paul, double-digit assists in 19 of his previous 25 games. And Harry Fox rookie Julian Wright the second. New Orleans was down 3 at halftime, but they opened the third with a 16-2 run. Paul, Tyson Chandler, they're up 9. And here we go. Next possession, Paul here. Chandler, there! Behind the back, Chandler at 19 and 10.